I offer my humble, respectful Dandavat Pranam to the respect of my spiritual master. Nitya Leela Pravishtam Vishnupad Ashtutara Satasya Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Srila Vaman Goswami Maharaj and Nitya Leela Pravishtam Vishnupad Ashtutara Satasya Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Srila Narayan Goswami Maharaj. Simultaneously offer my humble, respectful Dandavat Pranam. Lotus feet of Nitya Leela Pravishtam Vishnupad Ashtutara Satasya Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj, Srila Gauranga Goswami Maharaj, Srila Bhakti Rakar Sridhar Goswami Maharaj, Srila Bhakti Pramod Puri Goswami Maharaj, Bhakti Vigan Bharati Goswami Maharaj, and all senior devotees and all Vaishnavis, and presented all of my respectful guests. Especially I also offer my Dandavat Pranam, the honorable person, Param Pujya Sripad, then Arishtanasan Prabhu, and Param Pujapad Sripad Prakashatma Prabhu, and all senior devotees and all Vaishnavis. Just I speak few words. Time is almost over. Time is very quick. Time and tide. Wait for no one. Time is going very quick also. Let's wait Hari Katha. Then she is also prepared to dance also good. Choti si Kisori mere Angan and another who is saying, they are coming. Okay, very nice. Hari Katha, Nam Sankirtan, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. In this way, he realized and highest prem with the devotees in Jagannath Puri also. Though Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu felt pang of separation from Krishna, because in Jagannath Puri, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu absorbed in the mood of Srimati Radhika. Apanake Radha Bhave Rahe Anukhan. Anukhan means always. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is thinking, I am Radha. And Krishna left Vrindavan to Mathura. In the same mood, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he was staying in Jagannath Puri. Especially last 12 years. Dada's verse. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu life is still no. He was staying in this material world 48 years. But first 24 years, he also performed his household life. That's your Ghasta Lila. Which life? Grihastha Lila, household life. Then last 24 years, he also performed his sannyas Lila, renounced Lord of pastime. After taking sannyas, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he came in Jagannath Puri. And 6 years continuing, he was traveling here and there. Sometimes he used to go Vrindavan. Sometimes he used to go South India. That's called Gatagati. Then last 18th years, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was continue staying in Jagannath Puri. 18th years. 6 বৎসর প্রভু করিলা গমনাগমন আর অন্তিম অষ্টাদশ প্রভু রহিলা জগন্নাথ পুরী. Last 18 years, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he was staying in Jagannath Puri. But again also last 12 years, before departure from this material world, 12 years, he always absorbed in the high separation mood of Srimati Radhika. Dada's verse. Day and night, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was crying. Crying for Krishna. Kaha mor prananath murali badan, kaha jaun kaha paun Brajendra Nandan. Kaha re kahiva dukkha ke jane mor dukh Brajendra Nandan bina hati mor dukh. Where you will go? Eh? Where I will meet with my beloved Krishna, Nandanandan Krishna, who keeps the peacock feather on his turban, eh? Who always holds the flute and on his lips. Called Krishna. Eh? Nandanandan Krishna Hari. So last 12 years, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, day and night, he was crying and crying. Yes? And he was staying in Gambhira. And that time, only Sarup Damodar and Rai Ramanda pacified to him. Yes? Rairo Natok are Sarupir Gan, Biroher Kale Due, Rakhoe Paran. Chaitanya Chaitamrita. When Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu felt pang of separation from Krishna, then same mood of Srimati Radhika. Uddhav Radhikar Bhavjiche, Uddhav Darsane, Sei Mata Ratri Dine, Sei Mata Prabhu Rahe Ratri Dine. When Uddhav came in Vrindavan, Uddhav he saw Srimati Radhika's transcendental madness. That was Dubba Unmadini Radha. What did he say? Dibba Unmadini Radha. Transcendental madness of Srimati Radha. And many Tattva Siddhanta is Gaudiya Siddhanta is there also. Just I tell you a little bit Tattva Siddhanta also there. Very nice, beautiful Katha is there also. Vrishabhanunandini Srimati Radhika. She is the origin Radha. Daughter of Vrishabhanu Maharaj. Vrishabhanunandini Srimati Radhika. Her two expansion, Prakash. One is called Sanjogini Radha, and another is called Viyogini Radha. Vrishabhanu Nandini Srimati Radhika, she always staying with Krishna. Sometimes visible or sometimes invisible. And Prakash manifests, sometimes unmanifest. But she is always staying with Krishna. And Vrindavan Krishna, he always staying in Vrindavan. Vrindavanam Prittajam Padamekam Nagachati. Krishna says, I never go out one step from Vrindavan. Always I am staying Vrindavan. So who is going? Mathura, Dwaraka? Who is going? He is expansion Prakash. Nandanandan Krishna, the son of Nanda Maharaj. He does not go anywhere. Always staying in Vrindavan. Vrindavanam Prittajam Padamekam Nagachati. In the same way, Vrishabhanunandini Srimati Radhika, the daughter of Vrishabhanu Maharaj, she is always staying with Krishna in Vrindavan. So now coming to the hard two expansion. One is called Sanjogini Radha, another is called Viyogini Radha. Sanjogini Radha, she met with Krishna in Kurukshetra. That is called Sanjogini Radha. Or Viyogini Radha, who felt pang of separation from Krishna. And she was staying in Uddhav Kyari. And when Uddhav came in Vrindavan, and Uddhav he saw Srimati Radhika, this highest transcendental madness. That is called Dibba Unmadini Srimati Radhika. And that Katha also Srila Sukadeva Goswami Pad told to Parikshit Maharaj. Only 10 slokas. How many? 10 slokas. Jalpa, Ajalpa, Prajalpa, Sujalpa, Vijalpa. In this Dibba Unmadini Srimati Radhika's Katha is there. Very nice, beautiful Katha is there. Viraha Katha is there. I still. So now coming in this way, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he was staying in Jagannath Puri, Gambhira. Where? Gambhira. And day and night in the same mood. Radhikar bhav jaiche, Uddhav darshane, sei mata rahe Prabhu, Ratri dine. Day and night, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu then cried, Kaha mor pranad, Murali Badan. Kaha jaun, kaha paun, Brajananda. So for this guy, Gaura Gopal Goswami Maharaj, he quoted this verse. If you go Jagannath Puri, then you can see to Viraha Murti. कृष्ण विरह विदुर राधा और राधा विरह विदुर कृष्ण. That means Lord Jagannath and Krishna. He is crying for Srimati Radhika. Or Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is thinking, I am Radha, and feeling separation from Krishna. So Krishna Virha Vidur Radha, or Radha Virha Vidur Krishna. This like going on this. Because in morning I told, if you not feeling separation mode, you will never to develop your spiritual life. But this is where Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu taught to us. क्या शिक्षा दिया? How to feel separation, viraha. But question is coming, who will feel separation from Krishna? Who? Who has knowledge of relationship, samandha gyan? If you have knowledge of relationship with Krishna, then you will feel separation from him. Otherwise not. This is true. You never married, so how will separation from your wife? You did not give birth to any baby, how possible separation from your son? You understand? So that means is samandha gyan, knowledge of relation is samandha. So our Gaudiya philosophy always depends on three things: samandha tattva, then avidya tattva, then prayojan tattva. Samandha, the knowledge of relationship. But how will get this knowledge of relationship with Krishna? Because already we forget to Krishna. Krishna boli sei jeev anadi bahirmukh atev mayatare de sangsaradi dukh. Conditioned soul completely forget to Krishna. And wandering in the same cycle of birth and death. Tabad janam, tabad maranam, tabad janani jatri sayanam. Tabad jananam, tabat maranam. Again and again, we give up this body and enter in the womb of mother, again coming out. Again give up this body. This rotation is going. So tabad jananam, tabad maranam, tabad janani jatri sayanam. This is going on. Same cycle. Arthat janma mittu chakra. What is it? This cycle of repeating birth and death. This is going on this. Not this life. But some miracle is going on this way. When we give up this body, then we automatically forget our previous relationship, previous activities, previous body, previous mother, father, wife, children, everything. Now we remember not. Now not remember. You not remember your mother. Your mother is sitting. Mom. You remember your mother, father, everything. But you have no brother. Okay. Mother, father. Remember. Now remember everything. But when you give up this body, then all your samandha will be what? Finished. Then next birth. Then you make relationship with their. This is going on this. Look this thing. Miracle is going on this way. So saying this word, tabat jananam, tabat maranam, tabat janani jathari sayanam. This is going on. And every time also doing many kinds of sometimes punna karma. Punna karma, understand? Pious activities. Or sometimes you are committing sin. That is called papa karma. In this way, rotation is going. Sometimes going up or sometimes going to down. Kabhu sarge, kabhu morti, narekaba kabhu das, kabhu prabhu. Sometimes going to heaven, sargalok. Sargalok, understand? Heavenly planet, according to punna karma. Or sometimes committing sinful activity, papa karma. I am going to Narak. Kabu Sarge, Kabu Marte, Kabu Narak. This is going on this way. Papa Punna is going on this. So, but one thing is there. When will this rotation of birth and death will be finished? When? When you receive Diksha mantra from Guru. Brahmanda Brahmide Kono Bhagavan Jeev Guru Krishna Prasade Pai Bhakti Lata Bij Mali Haiya Sei Bij Kare Aropan Shravan Kirtan Jale Karha Sechan Brahmanda Brahmide Kono Bhagavan Jeev. They are using this word Bhagavan Jeev. Very exclusive, extreme fortunate living entities. They will take shelter of the feet of Guru and receive Diksha mantra also. Then renowned chanting Diksha mantra. Then Bhakti Lata Bij will be sprouted. This is the process also. So he's saying Brahmana Brahmidikono Bhagavan Jeev Guru Krishna Prasade Pai Bhakti Lata Bij. What is meaning of Bhakti Lata Bij? The seed of Siddha Bhakti. What is that? Who knows? Raise hand. Are jaldi bolo. हाँ जी. Krishna Seva Vasana. Desire to serve to Krishna. Krishna Seva Vasana. Day and night thinking how to serve to Krishna. This Krishna Seva Vasana. So saying Guru Krishna Prasad Pai Bhakti Lata Bij. Mali Haiya Sei Bij Kare Aropan Shravan Kirtan Jale Karaha Sechan. Shravan Kirtan Jal. You got seed. This is true. But you are not planted in the earth. Not giving the water. This seed will be sprouted or not? Nothing. Receive Diksha mantra from Guru. This is true. But if you are not chanting Gayatri mantra, understand? It will be never sprouted. So Shravan Kirtan Jal. Shravan and Kirtan. Mahaprabhu says, Shravan Kirtan Jale Karha Sechan. Every day you have to give water. What is the water? Hari Katha Shravan. Shravan Kirtan Jale Karha Sechan. First, this first year Prahlad Maharaj told, Shravanam Kirtanam Vishnu Smaranam Pada Sevanam Archanam Bandhanam Dasa Sakkatma Nivedanam Ete Punsar Pita Vishnu Bhaktischedana Valakshana. Sarvanakha Bhakti. Perfect. Listen, Shravan, then perfect Kirtan. A perfect Kirtan means perfect Smaranam. This is the process. But in this Kali Yuga, Jiva Goswami Pad explained, in Kali Yuga, Kirtanakha Bhakti. Kirtanakha Bhakti is very prominent. Kirtana. Kirtan, Hari Katha Kirtanam. Because when you Kirtan, then automatically three things automatically manifest in your heart. Shravan, Kirtan and Smaran coming. Look there. When you are speaking Hari Katha, but doing Kirtan, then you listen or not? Now you close your ears. You listening also. Or Kirtan, Ushta Spandana Martanam iti Kirtanam. Just moving your lips, that is also Kirtan. Kirtanam. Kirtan means nardo and with a very nice rhythm, harmonium, or different things. In our Gaudiya actually Sampradayas, especially in our Gaudiya Math, they not allow to play the harmonium. In our especially Devananda Gaudiya Math, very strict. Harmonium not allow. Only Mridanga, Kartal and Kansar means gongs. Bas, this is enough. And in Mathura also, the Gurudev in the beginning very strict. No brahmachari cannot touch the harmonium. But it slowly Gurudev little bit relax. Because if you preach, then need. Otherwise not. Any brahmachari, you touch the harmonium, then Gurudev is like, hey! Understand? But in now we are giving preaching, okay, we are giving, okay, this learn harmonium, this attract people. Otherwise, we have more Kali Yuga is coming. Kali Yuga coming means is what?
Guitar and sitar. Guitar and sitar.
Guitar and sitar. Many things also need. So Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad also explained in the preaching, if you do some look vyavahar, this is not any fault. Okay. So now coming in this way, just I also explained, Sarvana, what is called? Kirtanaka Bhakti. And Yadaprati, Tapanuprati, Kalu, Kirtana, Nam Sankirtan. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Nam Sankirtan. But you have to chant holy names. Need Tattva Siddhanta. Otherwise, Sahajya, Sokhi, Veki, Upper Sampradayas, they also chanting holy names. For this regard, Chaitanya Siddhanta Vile Chitte Laite, Nakaro Alas, Jahaite Krishna Lage, Sudhira Manas. Don't be lazy. To enter in Tattva Siddhanta. Siddhanta is very important. Just I told Srimati Radhika to explain Samyogini Radha and Viyogini Radha. Listen. So now coming in this is Samandha Gyan. Samandha Gyan, how will get the Samandha Gyan? From Samandha Gyan Pradata Guru Padma. Has to say, Guru Padma, he is called Samandha Pradata, who gives the knowledge of Samandha in our heart. That's called Diksha Mantra. Idya. Dibba Gyanam Jato Daddat Kurjat Papa Sanskayam. Diksha, Di means Dibba Gyan, transcendental knowledge you will call. As simultaneously Cha. Cha means destroy all your sinful activities, step by step. But you try to understand, Diksha is not one day complete. Understand? One is called formality Diksha. Disciple saying, Gurudev, I want to take this Diksha mantra from you. Okay, come. Then do this. Bring some fruits, flowers, garland, juice, cloth. Understand? Big it. Pardon? And also do some jagna. Swaha. And putting these sectors straight. These many things. Okay. Now you are initiated. All these actual, this is what? Formality. And this is also, then is coming Pancharatric Diksha also. According to the rules and regulation of Narad Pancharatric Diksha. This is process also. You cannot avoid these things. You have to follow these rules. Eh? But another is called Paramarthiki Diksha. And that is depend on this. When we listen more Hari Katha, listen. Understand? The Guru Parampara is coming. One is called Bhagavad Parampara, and is called Pancharatri ki Sisya Parampara. Pancharatri Sisya Parampara, Bhagavad Parampara, this is very important. And this is also explained this way. And Diksha mantra is not complete one day. Already I told. Shraddha, Sadhusanga, Bhajana Kriya, Anurtiti, Nishta, Ruchi, Asakti, then Bhav. When sadhak will come in the stage of Bhavadasha, then his Diksha will be complete. Now we are on the process going on this. Understand this? So this is the process also. How to step by step to develop your sadhu sangha, bhajana kriya, anartha nivritti, nishtha, ruchi, asakti, bhav, then prayer. This is the process of. And so a couple days I also discussed Siddha Pranali. What did he say? Perfect process how to attain your goal. Siddha Pranali. One is called Rupa Goswami Pad explained in Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu, and Adu Shraddha, Sadhu Sangha, Vajna Kriya, Nishta, Ruchi, Asakti, Bhav, and prayer. This is the Siddha Pranali, step by step. Or another is called what Siddha Pranali? Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. He manifested perfect Siddha Pranali. What is that? Trinadapi suni chena taroriva sahisnuna amanina manadena kirtaniya sada hari. Regarding chanting holy names. Then you realize yourself, self-realization. Kiba mantra dila gosai, kiba tar bol, jopite jopite mantra korilo pagal. Hasai nachai mori korai krandan, eto boli nibedilam guru racharani. Chaitanya Charitamrita, very nice katha is there. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, very humble, he told this katha. Mahaprabhu, very humble, he told. He one day asked my Gurudev, hey Gurudev, I have no Sanskrit knowledge. I cannot read Vedanta Darshan, nothing. Guru mare murkho dekhi korilo sasan. Murkho tumhe tumar nahi Vedanta adhikar. So what will do? I am not qualified to read Vedanta Darshan. Vedanta, understand? Ve on Danta. If you try to read Vedanta, then one your teeth will be fall out. What to do? That means Vedanta is very hard. Need vast of knowledge in Sanskrit. Understand? Need knowledge is Panini Vyakaran, Panini grammar. You have to learn. You understand? Those are Vedantic. Advaitavadis. And need is what? Panini Vyakaran. They think. Many sutras is there also. But Jiva Goswami Pad, he manifested one Grantha. That is called Harinamamrita Vyakaran. All the name is, Lord name is there. So just I also explain this way. Vedanta is not so easy to read. Need vast of knowledge in Sanskrit. Because a Sanskrit language has many meanings coming. Not one meaning coming. Many meaning will come. Eh? Just one slok Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya he recited. Eh? What is the slok? Atma Ramascha Mano Nirganta Hari Urukrama. This slok. And Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya explained 9 meanings. And Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu did not touch his 9 meanings. And Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu explained 18th meanings. Eh? Then same slok, Atma Ramascha Muna Nirgunta Hari Urukrama. This slok, same slok Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu explained in front of Sanatana Goswami Pad. How many? 64 meanings. Eh? Look at this. So how many meanings? One sloka. Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya he gave 9 meanings. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu gave 18th. So how many? Are mathematics? 27. Again Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu explained same slokas. How many? 64 meanings. So how many? 91 meanings. Look at this. Just one sloka. Bhagavad Vibhu. Pratik akshare, prati sloke, nana artha koi. Bhagavad and Vibhu is great. And Sanskrit slok, many meanings come. Who is the proper meaning? How do you know? So for this we are saying this. Pratik Bhagavad Vibhu, pratik akshare, prati sloke, nana artha koi. There are many meanings come. So just I was coming in this Vedanta, so Mahaprabhu very humbly told, I have no knowledge about Sanskrit. So what to do? So saying the Guru More Murkha Deki Korilo Sasan Murkha Tumi Tumara Nahi Vedanta Dikar. Krishna Nam, Krishna Mantra, Krishna Nam, Krishna Mantra. Chant Krishna Nam and Krishna Mantra. Then Gurudev gave me Krishna Nam and Krishna Mantra. And origin. Then I asked, if I chant Krishna Nam and Krishna Mantra, what benefit will I get? What benefit will I get? Krishna Mantra hoite have sansar mochan. Krishna Nam hoite pave Krishna premadhan. You understand? What do you understand? Krishna Mantra, if you chant this mantra, Gopal Mantra, Guru Mantra, Advaita Mantra, then you free from sansar vasana. This is the Krishna Mantra hoite have sansar mochan. Krishna Mantra, Gopal Mantra. Or Krishna Naam hoite pave Krishna premadhan. If you chant Krishna Naam, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. In this way, Gurudev gave me mantra and naam. Guru Aggamani, according to the instruction of my Guru, every day I chanted mantra and naam. Then after a few days I become mad. Everybody called me, you are mad. So for this regard I asked my Gurudev, Gurudev, am I mad? Then Gurudev told, no, you are not mad. Oh, you received highest prem. Evam brata sapura nama kritva jatanu rago dusudu choi hasati otho rodoti roti gayanun madhavat nrittati lokavaj. Chinnanu svadrani rathangapani janamani karamani jani chaluki namani gitani tadartakani Gayanun Madhava Nittati Lokavajja. Prem manifested one's heart, this is a symptom. Sometimes he's dancing, sometimes singing, sometimes he's rolling on the ground. Look at this. Sometimes laughing loudly. Ha 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 ha. Sometimes crying, weeping. Why? Because that types of lila. Krishna sometimes separation lila and sometimes meeting lila. And milan lila and Birha Lila manifest. For this regard, sometimes you are crying and sometimes you also laughing this. This is a symptom of the praying. Supposing kiba mantra dila gosain kiba tar bol jopite jopite mantra korir pagal hasai nachai more korai krandan. Like that. Hasai nachai. I am not laughing. I am not crying. I am not rolling the ground. Who is this? This Krishna prem. This Naam, holy name. Kiva mantra dila gosain kiva tar bol jopite jopite mantra koril pagal hasai nachai more korai krandan. This is hasai nachai. I am not laughing. I am not dancing. Who is doing this? This Krishna Naam. Prem. So I am for this I am saying this way. Samandha Gyan, knowledge of relationship. Then after relationship, then will come Avidya Tattva. That is called Bhakti. Process how to attain your purpose and goal. Bhakti, Avidya. Or then will come after Avidya Tattva, then will attain Prayojan Tattva. Or your ultimate goal, love, praying. This is the process also. How to attain Krishna Prem. And Prem is also different stages also there also. Sneho, Man, Pranay, Rag, Anurag, Bhav, Mahabhav, Rudo, Udurudo, Mohan, Modan, and Madanakha Mahabhavi. So yesterday I told Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, indiscriminately distribute this highest Prem to everyone. Take this. Anor Vichacharing Chirat Karune Avatirna Kalo Samar Payatu Unnatu Ujjarasam Sabakti Sriyam Harihi Prasundardati Kadama Sandir Pita Sada Hidai Kamdari Spuratuba Sachinanda. Sachinanda Gaurari. Indiscriminate distribute this Prem. Take this. Look this. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is there. Nityananda Prabhu, that Prabhu he also told. Mahaprabhu is also very merciful. He is called the embodiment of munificent and magnanimity. But Nityananda Prabhu also more than Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. He cannot believe. Akrodha Paramananda Nityananda Rai Abhimana Sunna Nitai Nagare Vidai Jare Dekhe Tare Koi Dante Trina Dhari Amare Ki Niyala Bala Gauravari Eta Boli Nityananda Bhume Gori Jai সোনার পর্বত যেন ধুলাতে লুটায় হেন অবতার যার রতি না জন্মিল লোচন বলে সেই পাপী এলো আরোগে অক্রোধ পরমানন্দ নিত্যানন্দ রায় অভিমান সুন্দরিতাই নগরে বেড়া. You heard? Nityananda Prabhu is called Guru Tattva. Akhanda Guru Tattva. Baladev Prabhu Nityananda. Same. Undivided. Not taking offense to anybody. So Akrodh Paramananda Nityananda Rai. Abhimano Sunna Nitai Nagare Bedai. Jare dekhe tare kahe dante trina dhari. Nityananda very humble. Taking the blade of grass under his teeth and saying, oh my brother, oh my sister, just chant Gaura Naam, Krishna Naam. Eto boli rite. Jare dekhe tare kahe dante trina dhari amare kiniyalo. I completely was sold out. Just we chant Gaura Naam. Just we chant Krishna Naam. Nothing. Do anything. Especially in this Kali Yuga. Mahaprabhu also little bit angry with Jagai Madhai. When Mahaprabhu heard that two drunkards, Jagai Madhai, they attacked Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Nityananda Prabhu, and blood coming. Then Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu become very angry. Understand? And Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu raised his hand and he's the form of Narayan mood. And he called his Sudarshan Chakra. Sudarshan, come. Look this thing. Mahaprabhu became very angry. And Nityananda Prabhu hold the lotus feet of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Hey Nimai, in your incarnation, Gaura Avatar, you already took vow. Hano Avatare. नहीं क्या बोले ये नहीं धरी राम राम आदि अवतारे क्रोधे नाना अस्त्र धरे एवे अस्त्र ना धरिल प्राणे कारो ना मारिल हरि नाम दिया करिल सुधार राम आदि अवतारे राम नृसिंह और कृष्ण अवतार also killed many demons or not and they also hold many weapons राम आदि अवतारे क्रोधे नाना अस्त्र धरे एवे अस्त्र ना धरिल प्राणे कारो ना मारिल हरि नाम दिया करिल उद्धार Nityananda Prabhu told Prabhu, already you took vow in this incarnation of a Gaura avatar. You will not hold any weapons. And you will not kill anybody. In the incarnation of Krishna avatar. Krishna, he killed Putana or not? He killed Putana. Look this. In the Putana Sarir, in the body of Putana, he did not give prem. When he killed Putana, then sent his Atma soul in where? In Golok, not Vrindavan, Golok. And in the medicine from Madhar Jasoda. Oho Vakiyan Stanakal Kutam. This slogan. Or in the incarnation, so far the Nityananda we told, in your and another incarnation, you hold many weapons. But in this incarnation of Gaura, you already took vow, I will not hold any weapon, and I will not kill to anybody also. So, please give mercy to Jagayana Madha. Then Mahaprabhu will please. Look, this prem give to them also. So I've explained this in the Gaura avatar, especially Chaitanya Nityananda Prabhu, Akrodh, Akrodha Paramananda. Akrodh means he never angry, never angry. And so the Akrodha Paramananda Nityananda Rai. Abhimano sunno nitai nagari bedai. Even Nityananda Ashtakam explain. Jatheshwara bhrato kuru hari hari. Nityananda Prabhu just raise his hands and finger and saying, oh my brother, oh my sister, just to chant holy names. Chant holy names. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. I am taking this responsibility to deliver you from this ocean of Maya. Just to chant holy names. This is my responsibility. Chant Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Look, Mahaprabhu is so sweet. But Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told, Sono Nityananda, Sono Haridas, Amar Aggai Sarvatra Karaho Prachar, Prati Ghare Ghare Giya Magoi Vikha, Bhala Krishna, Vaja Krishna, Kara Krishna Siksha. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told to Nityananda Haridas, hey Nityananda Haridas, this is my order. What is the order? You go to house and give this message. Oh my brother, oh my sister, chant holy names. Prati ghare ghare giya magoi bhiksha. Bhiksha means alms. Well, what alms? Rice, dal, sabji. Well, no, chant holy names. Pari ghare ghare giya magoi bhiksha. Bala Krishna, bhaja Krishna, kara Krishna. Krishna naam, chant my brother Krishna. আর দিবা অবসানে আসি আমারে কইবা Understand? Whole day you preach. And then evening time I return back and give me report. Or the report. Eh? Who chanted, who is not chanted? Eh? Understand? Mahaprabhu is saying this. Prati gare gare magoi viksha, bala Krishna, kara Krishna, kara Krishna. Bala Krishna, bhaja Krishna, kara Krishna शिक्षा. Adiba avasane asi amari kahiba. When you give me report, who is chanting, who is not chanting. Look at this. So Nityananda Prabhu is very merciful. Because conditioned soul, their nature is criticize to people. That's the nature. Because they are usual. Conditioned soul. Baddha jivas. Nature. They are doing this. So what to do? Well, no problem. And chant holy names. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare. But don't commit any sinful activity or any offense, aparad. Okay, your previous sinful activity or previous offense, what is your? Okay, I mukta kar diya. I free you from all your previous offenses and everything. From today, you will not make any more offenses. Lovely. Very simple. We chant Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Prem coming or not? हाँ जी बोला रहे, हाँ जी तो बोलो. इंडियन है कि नहीं है देख बोलो हाँ जी. Prem coming. You cannot say nothing. Coming, Prem is coming. On the way. They're coming this. Chant. Associate with sadhu, listen Hari Katha. This is very important. And then automatically and surrender to Sachinandan Gaurari. Jatha Jatha Gaura Padar Vinde Bhuvat Kritapunna Panja Tata Tata Sarpidi Hidi Akasmat Radha Padambujo Sudhambura. Just to surrender Sachinandan Gaurari and do bhajan sadhana. Suddenly Radha Prem automatically manifest in your heart. Simple way. Don't go deep. Because if you go deep, then your mind will be disturbed. Understand? You are your business is what? Ginger business, Ada Vyapari. Ada Vyapari, understand? You know, we are selling the ginger. Indian people, they are very poor, they are not so money. Just they are buying 1 kilo ginger, 10 rupees or maybe 50 rupees, 50 rupees, 50 rupees, 1 kilo ginger. And they are selling in the market 100 grams, 50 grams, they sell. So what is your business? Ginger seller. So why you take the message, oh, this ginger is coming from where? This sheep coming from where? How many kilos? The weight of the sheep. No need. So for this regard, Prabhupada is saying, Bengali Prabhupada, Ada Vyapari is Jahajer Khabar. Are no need to big things. Simple. Understand? Those who are big merchant, they can think everything. Simple way. We chant holy names. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare. Eh? Sometimes the Gyanis, those who acquire their knowledge, they will be fall down. 100% guarantee. Guarantee, understand? No doubt. Eh? Those who acquire so much knowledge, their mind will get confused. Eh? So Shastra saying, Gyanis, they will be fall down. Eh? But those are pure devotees, but simple. No duplicity and no hypocrisy. They will attend to Lord very easy. This is the thing, sir. Understand? If they no, I acquire this knowledge, this is not. So what is not? There go the cabbage. And thinking so many. So for this regard, Srimad Bhagavatam is saying, Gyane prayasi mudvassa namantaivam jivanti samudritang bhavadya vartam sthane sthita shutikitang tanuvang nabi jo prayaso ajito jito pisto isto lukkam. Very simple. Give up acquire the knowledge. You stay in front of sadhu and listen Hari Katha. Very easy to attain your purpose and goal. This is the process also. Simple mind. Bhakti means this way. Are you thinking this is backgrow? Gurudev given, just I finish, because they will be done also. Just we take them. One Panditji, understand? He has vast of knowledge in Sanskrit. Everybody called him Panditji. And his turban is big. Understand? My turban is small. Understand? Okay. Panditji. Jain Panditji, and he has one servant. And he is very simple boy. And then Panditji is walking in the forest, going to another village, then middle one forest. Then Panditji coming in the middle of the forest, then Panditji asked his servant, hey, I am very thirsty. Bring some water. That the boy he was, and servant he was watching, looking, but did not find out any pond or something this. But he came in one place, like one well, understand? But that the water very deep. And that time, disciple asked Panditji's servant, tell the Guruji, how will take the water from this oil? Then Guruji is taking his books and Sanskrit books and open one page. And how to take out the water from the deep well. But he could not find out. Because according to his knowledge. Then his servant, Sevaki told Gurudev, this is very simple. Gurudev, listen. You have big turban. Understand? If any sick people, don't upset. The big, about 10 meters, their cloth. They're putting the turban on their head. You have seen or not? Very big. So the Panditji's turban was there. 10 meters cloth. Well, they're very easy. You hold one corner of the cloth and another corner you put into the water. Then touch the water, then automatically water will come. Then you can drink. Oh my God, how did you know this? I did not find out this slok in this, my book. Acha. Then Panditji, he drank the water. Simple way, no? Okay. Now it is going this way. Then after a few minutes, one tiger coming and roaring. That time saying, Gurudev, what will do? Sanskrit word tiger is called Sardul. Sanskrit word that is called Sardul. Oh my God. Sardul. Then Sardul to what is Sardul? Okay. Open the dictionary and he's okay. Sardul means Baghra. What is called? Baghra. Baghra means tiger. There are many meanings then. Sardul to Baghra, tiger. Then this is called Baghra. Then this disciple told Gurudev, do you know how to climb on the tree? Well, no. You don't know Sanskrit. Baghra means generally big grindon thing. Taking the smell. Never kill. What will do? Then is there. Then in the meantime, that tiger came and big grayati. Grayati means taking the smell. Not khadati. In the meantime, tiger came and jumped upon him. Then he thinking, oh, kachit khadanti. And sometimes the tiger kills it. Vrindavan Vihari Lal. So Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Prabhupada, he told this story also. With your knowledge, you will not attain perfection goal. What will do? This sloka is already learned. What is called? Jnane prayase mudavassa namante eva jivanti samurgitam bhavadiya vartam stane stita stutigatam tanumang navi jo prayasu ajito pistalakam. Sit in front of the sadhu, guru, Vaishnava and listen Hari Katha. Simple. Then you attain your perfection goal. Very simple way. But listen. Should we listen? Because Lord is very merciful. He gave us two holes in the ears. This side and this side. Going out. This side. But no, you listen and keep your heart. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Understand? Very simple. Listen Hari Katha. Radha Karavachita Pallava Ballari ke Radha Vilasita Radha Padanka Vilasita Madhura Sthali ke Radha Jaso Mukha Matta Khagavali ke Radha Viharo Vipinam Ramotang Manometai. Sing this sloka. Everybody learn this sloka or not? Very simple sloka. Then automatically Radha Prem will manifest in your heart. Simple. No need to learn other sloka. One sloka is learned. Understand? Radha Karapachita Pallava Ballari ke. Very simple. Radha Rasadhanadi. Many slokas you know, but this sloka is very important. Radha Karapachita Pallava Ballari ke Radha Padanka Vilasita Madhura Sthali ke Radha Jaso Mukha Matta Khagavali ke Radha Viharo Vipinam Ramanam Manometai. Very simple. Simple in meaning also. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare. And chant holy names, learn one slokas, glorify about Srimati Radhika. Understand? This is my last book also. Latest. Hey, Rafaram, Radha Rasudhanidhi. Sapta Sindhu Gunavati, Sri Radha. Very nice, beautiful sloka. One sloka. Whole book is there. Radha. Understand this? This book you can read also this. Then you will be happy. What will do this? So many thinking. Then your mind will be disturbed. Jai Jai Sri Radha. Or now they will say dance. Time is hello Jai Jai Sri Radha. Tomorrow morning we are going another destination. All you are also going different destination. What all you come? Bari. Italy. Very nice, beautiful place also. Okay, so who is dancing? Hey, what is his name? Taruni Gopi. Okay. Okay. Please a little bit, then she will dance. What is your name? Premanandi. No. Yeah, the Pope in front of Thakurji, no? Everyone go back, Haribol, little bit back.
I don't mind if I just make a little announcement for the devotees because it's the last day.
Okay.
Last evening.
Okay. They take this.
Hare Krishna, dear devotees. Just a little bit of your attention before we start the beautiful dance presentation. I just wanted to,
all the cloth.
of course, all our appreciation of Sripad Maharaj Katha and this beautiful festival has no limits, and we can never repay for everything we have received for the last 4 days here in Paris. And the festival is going on so beautifully. I would like to thank also our hostess, the main hostess of this beautiful home. Her name is Yogamaya Didi. King Jai. I would like to thank her. She really, today devotees were talking about the sacrifice, how important it is in our sadhana to do some sacrifice during our practice and during our life. So I can tell you, she will never tell you that, but she really sacrificed a lot for this festival. And I would like that you understand that and you show your appreciation. I also would like to thank everybody who cooked so beautifully. The prasadam was amazing. Such a great team. With so much talent and so much creativity, all the beautiful prasadam was served to our Thakurji and to all the Vaishnavas. So thanks to all the cooks. Thank you for beautiful kirtaniyas to make such an amazing kirtans and bhajans. And of course to all the speakers for also sharing with us all their beautiful realizations and beautiful katha. And I started with Maharaj. Yes, I said that we cannot repay everything we have received for the last 4 days. You know that our soul was nourished so much for the last 4 days, like it says, the bird sitting in the cage. We were really feeding our bird, our soul, the bird of our soul was fed. Just a little thing which is also important. We're still in this material world. We covered by these bodies, and there are always expenses involved in all these organization of such programs. So please, I would ask everyone who can, who didn't do yet, just to participate in the expenses which were already made here, and it's important. You know, my Srila Gurudev, who had so many festivals during many years in Europe, as well. And sometimes he was saying, because there was big festival, many devotees were coming, and sometimes they wouldn't participate in the feast because there's so much expenses. Like, you know very well our daily life how it is. And sometimes he would say, if somebody didn't participate at all financially, then they're not going to get any benefit from this festival. Well, of course, we're all going to benefit, but just to explain the importance of all aspects of the seva, and your participation is really appreciated. Hare Krishna, and thank you to everyone. Thank you so much.
So as Gurudev instructed, Padmi will be facing the altar. So if you would like to see her dance properly, please move to this side. And Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhar Shivasadi Gaura Bhaktavinda Hare Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare Rama 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 Hare Krishna, dear devotees. Today I will be presenting a Braj Kirtan Shruti Shri Kishori Mere Ange Namaha. The Kirtan goes like Shruti Shri Kishori Mere Ange Namaha. A small girl came into my garden. पैरों में पहेलियां बातें छम 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 बोलेंगे. The ankles around her feet make a sound छम छम. मैंने बातें पूछी लाली का तेरा नाम है. I asked her, Lali, what's your name? मुस्कुराकर बोले राधा रानी मेरा नाम है. With a smile on her face, she replied, my name is Radha Rani. मैंने बातें पूछी लाली का तेरा गाँव है. I asked her, Lali, where is your village? Proudly, मीठे रहकर बोले, Varsala मेरा गाँव है. Proudly, she replied, Varsala is my village. मैंने बातें पूछी लाली और तेरा ससुराल है. I asked her, Lali, where are your in-laws? With her घूंघट में बोले, नंदगांव मेरा ससुराल है. With her face in her veil, she replied, my in-laws are in Nandagaon. मैंने बातें पूछी लाली कहाँ तेरा भरताल है. I asked her, Lali, who is your beloved? चढ़वा के बोले, श्यामसुंदर मेरा भरताल है. Shyly she replied, Shyamasundar is my beloved. With this dance, I am praying for the mercy of Srimati Radhika and all the Vaishnavas. I will now present Shruti Shri Krishna.
We're doing something.
Sorry, I'm so sorry.
Okay. Thank you for reading. Nice, your this performance. Good, nice. Last time you also did in where? In Brazil, no? Yeah, everybody also charmed. And this is also now, all the devotees, yeah. Very nice. Thank you. Yeah. Okay, next, because my time is over. Another, what is called? Huh? Pardon? Ananda Sarupini Didi? Where is he? Ananda Sarupini. She, eh? Yeah. Yeah. Okay, thanks. Give the mic. Have the mic. You take this.
Excuse me. Pronounce tomorrow. The first item we are going to perform, Prema Sundari will perform a song from the Holy Book Gita Govinda from Jayadeva Goswami, and she will perform Shrita Kamala, the second song.
I will try to do that from the drum itself. You can sing it. This one? We have to go to the light and go as high as possible because the group connection is not good. Where the cable is, the cable, you see the cable, you see then you can go high with this, as high as possible. And the other one also. This I'm going to disconnect the Bluetooth again. And go from WhatsApp or WhatsApp. No, I'm disconnecting the Bluetooth because my case is here, so I have to do it from. Why is all coming here? This one? This is the second one.
Thank you, Ananda Sarupini. You also perform very nice, beautiful dance. And Jaidev Goswami. Another Git Govindam. Very beautiful this is. So you come in Ratha Yatra in Brajagan. Very far go to me. Are you coming?
¿Entiendes español?
42.
Usted pregunta que cuándo vas a Brasil. Usted pregunta que cuándo vas a Brasil.
Deixa, Mara. In the kitchen.
Okay, thank you. Very nice meeting you. Thank you. Next.
Jora janita chinta
Very nice, beautiful. And this is Gita Govinda, Jayadev Goswami Path manifested this Grantha. And especially when Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he was staying in Jagannath Puri, and that time, especially Sarup Damodar, he also recited this verse, Rairo Natagar Sarupere Gan, Birher Kalindrihe Rakhi Paran. Especially Sarup Damodar, when he recited this Gita Govinda, then Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's Viraha separation increased more and more this way. And especially this song, Lalita Lavanga, this song, it is mentioned in Chaitanya Chaitamritam. Krishna's Kaviraj Goswami, he mentioned these things. Very nice, beautiful, this separation mode. And especially in the Gita Govinda, Jayadev Goswami Path manifested Srimati Radhika's Ashtanayika mode. That is called 8 heroine mode. Is there. Ashtanayika mode. And Abhisarika, Utkandhita, Basak Saja, etc. And so here this mode also explained this way. When Srimati Radhika, she did man, then one Sakhis of Srimati Radhika told her, hey Radhe, you give up your man, well, now Krishna is there, so you have to go this way. Very nice, beautiful this is. Gaur Premanam. Jai Gaur Premanande Hari Hari.